Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn on OK Google or Hey Google on our phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your Google application on your phone, and this is my Google application, so just click on it. And after that, after the Google has been opened, we can click on this profile button on the top right corner of our screen. Then we can select a settings option, and this is the settings option, so just click on it. Okay, and we have to scroll down until we find Google Assistant setting, and this is the Google Assistant setting. Then we're going to tap on Hey Google and voice match. And if you want to turn on the Hey Google or OK Google, we just need to click on this toggle button to activate it, guys. So just click on this toggle button, then the Google Assistant or OK Google will be activated on your phone. Okay guys, and that's how we can activate or turn on the Hey Google or OK Google on our phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.